Today's activity is all about printing. We are going to do palm printing today. Let's see the simple palm printing that you can do it at home. Shall we do the activity now? See children, your first activity is take any color that you have, mix it with water and apply it in your hand like this. Apply it fully in the palm and in your fingers also. Now apply it fully like this and we are going to do the printing now. See, stretch your fingers like this. Now press it nicely with your other hand. Then take your hand off slowly. See, the paint has come. Now see what I am going to do. I am going to draw two legs. Guess what is this? Can you guess what is this? Yes, children, can you guess? Yes. This is a chicken. See, now this is a chicken. Your next color is red color. Start painting your hand with red color. Fill up the color in your fingers and in your palm. Now you have to paint both your palm and your fingers like this. Now we are going to print. See, take this hand and print it like this. Take the other hand and print it like this. Now draw the crabs and like this. One more also like this. Now place the eyes here. Can you guess what is this? See, this is a crab. Your next color is blue. Start painting your palm, same like the before activities, and your fingers also. Okay. Now, after painting your hand fully with blue, start printing like this. Put your hand here, press it with the other hand nicely. Now, after pressing your hand, if you take it, see, now put the eyes and a mouth for it. What is this? It's a fish. Now take pink color and fill up your palm like this, and don't paint all the fingers, paint only these two fingers, that is tall man and the ring man. Okay, start painting like this. Now after painting, see, we have painted only these two fingers, so put these two fingers like this and press it. Press it nicely. Now take your hand like this. See, now we are going to do, see what I am doing. Draw something like this. Now draw a triangle here. the eyes, you'll get a bunny. Can you see this? Now, these are the 4 printing activities, simple activities that we have done today. You can try and you can be more innovative also. Try doing this and have fun at home. Bye children. Meet you again with the next interesting activity.